PowerTrain transmission swap kit has arrived for this Corvette. We're going to do the unboxing of the parts and talk through those a little bit before we start taking the transmission out of the Corvette and start putting in the new parts. So the transmission that American PowerTrain sent us is a Tremec 5-speed GM TKX transmission.
We had to open the transmission box on shipping to make sure that nothing was damaged. And it all got here safe. Looks like they did a really nice job packaging it.
Hydraulic clutch kit.
Looks like the transmission mount. All right.
Transmission fluid.
This looks like a pretty good kit here.
Yeah, that's.
Don't have to go looking for that stuff. What did they send?
Ooh, look at, we got a t-shirt.
Looks like we got Dexron 3. I'm trying to do the trick. Oh, that's
Got a pretty cool t-shirt.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Cut the sleeves off it. That'd be cooler.
Got some racing brake fluid.
Oh, that must be for bleeding the clutch.
Another.
Okay, so there's the mount. That's the mount bracket. You can just leave it in there.
Okay, because it's got screws and stuff inside there.
ARP hardware. Looks like flywheel bolts. Probably pressure plate bolts. Oh, the clutch and brake pedal. Very cool. Looks like the shifter handle.
Ooh,
Yeah.
let's see what that looks like. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
That is shiny. That is cool.
Got a nice weight to it. Cool. Got the shifter hardware. That is like some kind of switch. Or the connector for a switch. Oh, the pilot bearing.
Put those out
Oh,
there.
that's the speedometer gear. Okay.
Can you leave those together?
Yeah.
So that does it for that.
Box number 1. Awesome. Oh, they sent us a banner too. That's cool. Bell housing. That's the flywheel cover. All right, let's see what's in there. Oh yeah, this is flywheel clutch. There's the flywheel. Made in the USA. Cool. Drive shaft.
Oh, yeah.
Easy. Cool.
There it is. We have everything but one part that is still on back order. but it looks like everything else is here.
Yeah. Now for the fun part, the work.
The work.
We're putting vintage air in the car too, so the dash and stuff has to come apart anyways. But I think we're gonna start just by removing the Turbo 400 and start getting everything set up. And then we'll probably lower it down and take the interior out and go from there.
Let's go.
Let's get to it.